watched the video last night.
Amazing.
Fantastic.
Brilliant.
We never realised there was so much hidden music, singing ability amongst our friends and family, nor indeed the deviousness of many of them, who sort of kept this so secret from us that we didn't have a clue what was happening. We'd like to give a massive thank you to all 80 of you who took part, evoking the memories, the fantastic memories of our time in London, Rugby and Bridlington, as well as our frequent visits to Liverpool and Spain. To get clips of the actual houses we lived in London and the school where we met, nearly got wet then, and the school where we met, plus the houses and schools in Rugby was absolutely unbelievable to us. Of course, the footage of my dad as well, very, very sadly, was the last footage ever taken of him, but it's an important part of the video. Paulie would absolutely love to sing a line of the song for you, but I think quite luckily she is too old, so she can't. However, I've still got 2 weeks left, so will you still need me? Will you still feed me when I'm 64? Thank you very much indeed.
Everyone.
Bye.